Now, fieldwork is common for students of science and geography at all grade levels, and inevitably one of the outcomes of fieldwork is a large amount of data that has been collected. And what you're looking at is a spreadsheet of data collected by middle school students. And this data reflects some of the information collected about lichens in Gardner, Kansas, and includes latitude, longitude, date, and some other attributes. I have saved this data as a comma-separated value spreadsheet and have it sitting on my desktop, because what I want to do now is go to arcgis.com and hit the map button to load up the map viewer. Using this particular browser, Chrome, I can drag and drop my comma-separated value spreadsheet that's sitting on my desktop straight onto my map. And when I do, I instantly notice I have a few points that maybe the kids didn't get quite right, but I also notice that my data is otherwise mapping generally where it should be in eastern Kansas. I can click and zoom, and you'll notice that yes, indeed, I have a nice clump of data about my community. What I can do now to make more sense of the data with my students is change the symbols. In this particular case, I can adjust the size of the symbol, and I'm going to adjust it based on the amount of bare bark, because that also tells me how much lichen is covering the bark. So I'm going to leave it at equal intervals. I'm going to increase my number of classes to about 10 and apply it. You'll notice then that the size of the symbol has been adjusted to reflect the amount of bare bark. So in this case, 90 to 100% of bare bark actually has the largest symbols. So as I click on one of these points, I can pull up an identify, and I can see the additional information that has been captured about this particular lichen sample. So all these features are available inside of arcgis.com. We can also print, save, share, change base maps, add other geographic information to make our map more rich and meaningful for our students.